Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today video is all about the recovery contacts, how you can recover your beloved one contacts if you mistakenly deleted them. So this video is all of you that have mistakenly deleted someone's contact in your contact list. So but before starting the video, I will request you to all please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started the video. So first of all, I can show you delete someone's account and then recover it. So go to your contact list and here it go. These all contacts are mine and I will delete it like this account. And so yeah, this is the account I have to delete permanently. Maybe for recycle bin I can be recollected. This is all option, these are all options are available in Android as well. But if you permanently deleted the account and how you recovered it, this video is for you. So this is the account and now go to your Google and type it here like contact google and .com. This is all website and simply search it out. You can be switched off your switched off your account even or even you not log in into your Google account. First of all, you log in into your Google account with your Google account. So yeah, this is all about the Google account. And here it out, the setting option in front of you at the corner of your mobile screen, and there are two options like undo changes and more settings, but we go with the undo changes. Here it go, and they ask me the timing of your deleted account, how much time it's long been. So yeah, as you all know that I have deleted someone's contact maybe minimum 5 to 10 minutes ago, so I go with 10 minutes and you can go with your own choice. And then select the option undo. So simply this is the simple way to recover your contacts in your mobile phone, mainly in Android phone. So thank you for watching this video and I hope you like this video.